In this video, we will be swapping two variables in Python, showing the traditional versus Pythonic way. So we've got initial values. So we have 5 and 10. 5 is whatever A holds and B holds the value 10. And we also have a print statement showing what they hold. So before swapping, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. Then we do a traditional method of swap using a temporary variable. So temp is equal to A, that means temp now holds the value of 5. A is equal to B, now A is equal to 10. So the reason why we saved it in a temporary variable is because we didn't want to lose the value of A before we change it. Then B is equal to temp, which is whatever was stored in line 11, which is pretty much the value of 5. And then we printed it out. So after a traditional swap, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. We then reset the values and printed them again to see how they looked like before we did a Pythonic swap. So A is back to 5 and B is back to 10. We then did the Pythonic swap using multiple assignment. So this part here evaluates first, it then unpacks into this part. So what that means, whatever value B holds will be placed into A. So A will be equal to B. And then whatever value is held into A will be stored into B, which is 5. So then we print out the results after a swap, and we get A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. How does this work? So Python evaluates the right-hand side first. So this part, for example, it evaluates BA. It then unpacks it into the left side, which is AB. So what happened behind the scenes? A temporary tuple is created internally, but you never have to write it. And this is Python's built-in and recommended way to swap variables. There is no need to create a temporary file like we do with the traditional method of swapping variables. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.